Just want to make sure I take off any sharp bits. Alright, how do I get this out of here? Pretty good. Ah, marvelous. Alright, Jaimie, why are you putting these weird tubes on your boat? One back here and one up there. Okay, now if I need to park in a shallow area where I don't want my boat up against the shore, or like if I'm at a beach or in a river, I can stick a pipe through here, in here, and then slide it down, and the pipe can stick into the sand at the bottom, and then my boat won't have to touch the bottom, and I can park that way. Isn't that great? And you might say, Jaimie, how often do you ever need to park in some shallow area? Why would you ever need that? Well, it actually happens sometimes where I come up to some place and I need to park, and I don't want to use the anchor because I don't want my boat moving around. And you know, there's a spot to park, but it's damaging to the boat, like it's up against rocks or sand, so I can't really park there. Well, this will make it so I can just stick my two things down there, and then maybe I can take one of these boards and just slide it over to the shore or wherever I need to get to. Ah, this is great. Oh, my other island totally has shallows around it. I can park my boat there. Ah, this is marvelous. Get that chicken! Get that chicken! Come on, get it! Hey, chicken!
Get her, Marge. Reach down and grab her. Grab her! Don't be scared. She's not gonna bite you. Just grab her. Grab her now! Grab her! Get her! Pick her up!
Good chicken recovery. Nice work.